This week's episode was kindly sponsored by HelloFresh, but more on that later. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Stone House. The footage for this intro was all taken from a video that I think was terribly underwatched. It's called 5 Years of Renovation, and I uploaded it a little while back. If you have 26 minutes, I think this is one of the best videos I've made. Most of you might have watched it, but some of you have not, so I'll link it in the description.
My eyes are wide open. I see you clear. My toes touch the same floor our world has been shaking on. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Your face tells me always things your mouth often spares, and I hope you know I do what it takes to bring joy into your day. Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh.
Alright, now we're up to present time here. I'm finishing the floor in what will be our kitchen someday. This floor was in bad need of repair.
Carry the weight of what I've done. I am speaking from experience. I don't wanna run no more. I don't wanna run no more. Seems to me a man can do a lot of thinking when he's staring down the barrel of a gun, and the devil set his sights set on me since the day that I took sides with the sun. Now every morning I go to war with the ghosts I met the night before, just trying to find the grace in my mistakes. There's monsters beating down my door. They're hungry for a soul that's worn from all of the running that I've done. I don't wanna run no more. I don't wanna run no more. I don't wanna run no more. I don't wanna run no more.
Hey everybody, are you looking for an easy way to eat well and save money this year? How about cutting back on expensive takeout and delivery fees? I think we all know how easy it is just to pick up the phone and call a food order in. But what I found out this week is it's quite easy to order online and get really good food delivered to your door for you to make yourself. In fact, HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% cheaper than takeout. Now, I will admit, when I was first offered this, I was skeptical, but it didn't take long for me to literally eat my own words because I was blown away by the freshness, the easy to read directions, and just honestly how fun this was to do. I gotta choose which one we make, right? Mm-hmm. A black bean pepper quesadilla, a garden spinach ricotta ravioli, or a zucchini mozzarella sun-dried tomato panini. I'm gonna go with the ravioli. This one. Garden spinach, yeah. So everything we need should be in this bag. My personal experience with cooking is a little limited. I tend to try to eat things that are quick, and quick things tend not to be healthy. But HelloFresh is giving me that option where I can eat healthy and it's still relatively quick. This meal took 15 minutes to prepare. Everything is individually wrapped. I've heard that this gets you into cooking more just because you kind of see what it takes. I mean, everything is incredibly fresh. There's no way that's... Look at that. Okay, it's called HelloFresh. I shouldn't be surprised, but... If you're looking for a service like this, look in my description and go to HelloFresh.com and use the code STONEHOUSE21. This is going to get you 21 free meals plus free shipping.
Gently add ravioli to pot. Immediately reduce to a low simmer. Cook, stirring occasionally until,
El dente.
al dente and floating to the top. 4 to 5 minutes.
It's pretty easy just to go to HelloFresh's website and you can kind of select how many people, how many meals you want. It's really self-explanatory, really easy. The hard part is picking the meals because there's so many and they all sound so good. But once you put in that promo code of Stonehouse21 and you hit apply, you'll see that those discounts come into play in your cart. And there's some pretty good discounts. So if it's something that you want to try, if something you're interested in, check it out and definitely use that promo code Stonehouse21. Oh, I gotta put in the pepper. And
Sauce.
huh?
Gonna make the sauce. Dad, you not just listen to what we said?
It's okay. Oh, that actually smells really good. Now that it's all mixed in.
Oh yeah, sour cream smells good in that.
Yeah.
Mm.
All we gotta do from here is plate it and put the cheese on it and the scallions. That's it. So I don't need the directions from here. It smells great. The scallions here, you can put all those kind of on top of there too. It's not very hard to tell here that I had a lot of fun doing this. Cooking with the kids is just fun. It's teaching them a skill, a life skill that they need to know how to do. If you want to eat healthy, you pretty much got to make your own food. And so if HelloFresh is anything, it's just great. It's almost like a homeschool lesson for us. So I just really enjoyed it. This has been Basically, Sarah approved, so the kids are gonna try it, and then you're gonna get their opinions. Come here, guys.
Did you just set it on?
I guess so, yeah. Oh, Ellie can't reach, so go ahead and get us a fork full of it. Want me to get you a bite? Come here, I'll pick you up.
Okay, that's like all.
It's not all of it, there's more. Is it good?
Yeah. It's really good.
Can you eat that big of a bite? Oh, there's a stringy thing. Can you get that? Here, go towards the mouth. Okay. And then suck that up like a piece of spaghetti. How do you like it? Yeah, it's pretty good. Go ahead, sis. When something's this good, Sissy always eats like the best thing last. So this would be hard to choose. It's good, right?
I want a little more.
Yeah, you can have more. HelloFresh passed the Sarah test, and not many things do. There will be a link in the description. You can get some discounts, some deals. I really appreciate the sponsorship, HelloFresh. This was a lot of fun. And we have 2 other meals to make. And though I don't have to make a video on those, I'll probably share the experience on Instagram. So maybe you can check that out there. That's it.
That's yummy. Bye. You want that, don't you?
As I'm editing the video, I got another one. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
You guys want to try potato?
Yeah.
Want to do cheers?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I really wanted to get this whole floor done. I hope the time lapse that I just did kind of looks something. I don't know what I was thinking in my head. That's it. I'm tired. It's 8:15, way later than it should be. It's good to see this down. Oh, some people were saying some stuff about staggering the seams. I did. I think it's just hard to tell. There's a seam here, and then I think it's 3 feet away. There's another seam. And then you can see like the seam here, and then there's a seam right there. Another, 3 feet. Same with like over here, it's 5 feet away. It's not perfectly 4 foot staggered, but pretty good. Way better than I did on the other side. I want to be the first family that goes through this hole.
Waiting on your path to face truth at last. Winding through your mind, moment, space, and time. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember this time?
I definitely can.
Can you touch both sides at once of the stone?
Will you remember this time?
We'll take everybody with us now.
Will you remember this time?
As you can tell here, and you know by now, this is going to be the walkway to the kitchen. The issue that I noticed yesterday is this. from where my joist is, the double 2x10s that you can see right there, there is about an 8-inch gap from the stone wall to it. So as you can imagine, this is going to be a pretty busy walkway. And if I just simply put plywood across that gap and don't have a nailer in here, then if people were to step here, there could be definite flex, right? And the tile would 100% break. So what I'm going to be doing is taking pieces of this 4x6 pressure treated wood that I have left over from the piers. And I'm going to be putting that in there all the way across there. I have just enough to do that. And I'm not going to really be able to nail the pressure treated piece to this other beam that you can see, but just sitting there giving it contact is really going to be all I need. That way if anybody was to step, you know, it's not going to break my tile.
Running at space, keeps the heart afraid. No matter what the change, life remains the same.
Well, they're exactly, that's exactly what you'd need. It's perfect. You can't even tell that you're not walking on one piece of wood.
Yeah. It's really surprising.
This piece is exactly the size we need. Look at that. That's so funny
Nice.
how that works.
Will you wake with me in the sunrise, sunrise, sunrise? Will you wake with me for the moonlight, moonlight, moonlight? How will
Okay, so just a couple screws, I think, to help hold it, but probably not necessary. Like up here.
this last light fade?
We're just gonna clean from here. A lot of scrap wood and dust and stuff. Pretty cool though. See this floor down and see how flat it turned out. It looks good. That's all I'm doing today too. I worked all day yesterday till, 8:30. It's cool seeing that walkway, isn't it? Something that we've been waiting for a long time. All right.
Looks good. I think it's obviously way better.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't sealed very good.
No.